Now here is how we can log out from WhatsApp on the iPad, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the way that I'm signed in to my WhatsApp on the iPad is that I use it as a linked device from my iPhone. So there are more ways you can sign out actually. So you can go to the WhatsApp at first and go to the settings at the bottom. And if you have the account selected in the left panel, so you can see we have the account selected. Now we literally have the ability to delete account and log out as we wanted. So that's like a very easy way you can log out with a click of a button. But as I said, since I use it as an extension of my iPhone, right? You can see that if I go to WhatsApp in here, I can browse my chats and everything. But on the iPad, if I go to the settings, on the iPhone, within the WhatsApp, if I go to the settings and go to linked devices, you can see I have the Android phone as well as iPad. And the point is that I can click on iPad, scan my face, and click on sign out from the phone or log out, right? And if I click on log out and confirm it from the iPhone, it's going to log me out on the iPad, even like remotely from the phone. So that's like another way you can log out. So I hope that I was able to guide you through it. You can see there are like two main ways you can sign out. Let me know if you found this video helpful just by hitting the thumbs up, but subscribe for more and you'll never miss anything important.